All right, here we have the other elevator. I believe this is the Cherry Street ramp. Look at that. All activities recorded by video camera. Yeah, I have one here. Filming your elevator. Again, there's 2 cameras in here. Look at that, they put some around the phone button. This indicator works. These things are epic. We'll do one more ride on this car, so I like this one more. Look at that, that's interesting how they put a little bumper around the phone. Get a cab view real quick. There's one of the cameras. There's the other. This is probably one of the most, there's a lot of security cameras around this thing. There's like 4 of them out here. I do like that sign though. All activities recorded by video camera. Yep, their elevator is too. All right, that'll be it.